Hey, with God, all things are possible. Yeah, you got to say that. Hi, I'm Matthew. How are you? Hey, nice looking panda there you got over there. Yeah, nice looking panda hat you got on your head. Yeah, it is. It sure is. Well, we were invited to go to Chengdu, China. Yeah, we got invited there to do teacher workshops and puppet shows to the children, and we taught the teachers how to use puppets like Matthew. But we arrived there on the weekend, and school was out. Yeah, school was out. So our host gave us a treat. Yeah, they brought us to the Chengdu Research Center for giant panda breeding. Did you know that there's 40 panda research centers in China? No, I didn't know that until I went there. Did you know that there's over 1,600 panda bears in the world and only 50 outside of China? I didn't know that before we went there either. And what China does, they loan their panda bears to countries all over the world. They do that. But any babies that are born belong to China. That's why they got so many, I guess. Anyway, we did puppet shows in Chengdu, and then we went to sister schools in Leshan and Dujiangyan, and then we went to a disabled school in Pengzhou. Yeah, we did do that. What did we talk about? We talked about kindness and safety, stuff like that. This is good things to talk about. Yeah, it is. I noticed in Dujiangyan they had a sign on their lobby that said, "Train up in a child in the way he shall go, and when he gets old, he won't depart from it." I like that. With God, all things are possible. Say, what you gonna do with that cute little panda there over there? Well, I'm going to give it to my wife as a thank you for agreeing to let me to go to China and do puppet shows. Yeah, I know that she's got a couple little lady panda bears, a keychain, right? Yeah, that's exactly right. So you never know with God. When you walk with God, God takes you places you never thought you would go. Yeah, if you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel at www.youtube.com/user/J479. Sila, meditate on this.